Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from Motor Match Chester, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used vehicle. This is the Toyota Avensis D4D Business Edition Touring Sport. It's a 2017 model and it comes with 38,000 miles on the clock from 3 previous owners. It comes with a part service history carried out last at 18,000 miles and is finished in the Tyrol silver paintwork worth £545. Taking a look at your exterior features, on the front you'll find automatic headlights with the high beam assist and LED daytime running lights. It also comes with some excellent styling, including your 17-inch alloy wheels. And around to the rear you'll find the more practical Towbar with the wiring socket worth £450. You've also got a rear camera above that as well to help guide into the towing. Taking a look in the boot now, huge amount of space available for this touring edition. It's nice and large, going far back with a privacy screen as well, and even the option to fold down those back seats. Taking a look at your rear seating, you've got the gorgeous ambly cloth upholstery, which is super comfortable with that white stitch detailing. Armrest in the centre with 2 cup holders, as well as ISOFIX mounting points on the outer rear seats. Making our way into the front, you've got 4 electric windows on your door card there, as well as the lighting and wipers behind the steering wheel. And you've got the lovely 2-tone colour here in the front with manual adjustment. On the steering wheel you'll find some controls for the media, including the volume, next and back buttons and the hands-free calling. You do also have some options here on the right as well to control the screen on the digital dash. You've also got the cruise control and speed limiter functions just to the right. Taking a look at that digital display here, you can flick through the trip computer information available, as well as other options such as navigation, any of your audio connections, as well as any warnings and settings. On the main media system itself, you've got plenty of media available. It offers the AM, FM and DAB for stations all across the country, as well as AUX and Bluetooth. You've also got the USB connection as well if you do prefer that. Under the car you'll find a detailed trip computer information on any past records. You've got the Bluetooth connection as well, so you can take hands-free calls on the go, and the Toyota online system which you can connect to. It does also include the navigation, inputting the home, work and other favourite destinations. The map itself gives you a nice clear view of the area with even a parking locations as well as speed cameras. The rear view camera offers a clear view behind, as you can see, with the parking guidelines also aiding in manoeuvring into spaces. It comes with a dual zone climate controller which can be viewed on the screen, as well as a physical below. It allows individual adjustment to either side of the vehicle's temperature so you don't complain with passengers. Underneath this screen you can see the controls for that. You've also got the 6-speed manual gear stick just behind, as well as a nice little storage space for a cup and plenty of storage space in the centre armrest. For more information, visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01244 311 404. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.